Welcome, YouTube. My name is David. Today we're going to cover a little bit about YouTube and some of the things about YouTube. You know, how to make your videos go viral. I've not had one yet, but I have tried. Trust me. Now, YouTubers are constantly searching for ways to make their videos go viral. This video explores proven strategies, insider tips to help you increase your video's reach and visibility, ultimately leading to more engagement and a wider audience. So I hope you'll stick around. We're going to go over a few things, and hopefully you'll enjoy what you read or what you hear me read. That's better. I am reading a script that I wrote. Okay, so today we're gonna harness the power of trending topics, leveraging Google Trends and other trend tracking tools. I use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. They're great tools. I can tell you that right now. I really am starting to love vidIQ because they can come up with so many titles and so many thumbnails, and it gives me their ranking numbers on them. You know, if it's green, it's a decent thumbnail. If it's red, I don't want to use it because it's nothing to do with the subject matter. So we want to also analyze current events, pop culture, and viral content. Study the events happen around your niche, which you should have already narrowed down by now. I hope so. I hope you know what your niche is. And then we're going to create engaging videos that capitalize on trending themes. Make your videos engaging with titles that catch the attention of viewers, clickable thumbnails. If these two are not right, you will get 0 views. You won't get very few views. Now, one of the things that you're going to have to do is you're going to optimize your YouTube optimizing your YouTube for YouTube's algorithm is something you're going to have to do. Wow, can't believe I messed that all up. Understanding the YouTube algorithm and its importance. If you need more help with YouTube's algorithm, you can watch a couple of my videos that I have on nothing but the algorithm. One of them is it some of the things proven to be true, or some of them be proven to be false. Some of the beliefs that new YouTubers believe is happening when they try to get their videos up. We got to create compelling titles and descriptions that include relevant keywords. Make certain that you are using vidIQ to check the title, as they have a great generator and wonderful description. Also, you can use ChatGPT to do most of the things that vidIQ is doing, except the new human interaction part. vidIQ has a human interaction now where you can actually get a human on the other end of it all who's going to look at your video, look at your title, your thumbnails, and going to critique it for you. Utilizing video tags strategically for discoverability. Remember to come up with tags that are directly reflecting the video's content. If you don't, you're kind of wasting your time with your tags. Now, we're going to build up to a nice growth situation here. You want to get to the point that eventually you can collaborate or network with a bunch of people. You know, you want the power of collaboration and network with other creators. Now I know that since I have not had a collaboration, I don't know the ins and the outs, but I can tell you what I've learned about it, and that is that you want to make certain that whomever you collaborate with is in the same niche, and that you both have about the same number of subscribers, so it will become a win-win situation. Building a relationship with influencers in your niche. You should pick someone that you follow, that you are about the same size as they are, and you are commenting on their posts and videos, show the love they need, and they know that, and they will notice. Even reach out to them. Participating in community events and challenges. Make certain, if possible, to join in challenges and community events because they expose you to more people as well. You know, because if it's a community event and you show up there and you have a new video there that people are able to watch, or as someone once said just recently, I forget the gentleman's name, they recommend that you get 5 videos up. If you're starting a new YouTube channel, don't start anything, don't do anything until you have 5 videos to put up all at the same time. You want to batch upload them because you want to give your first video encounters the chance to watch 5 videos in a row. You know, you watch the first one, instead of having to wait for a second one, they go right into the second one, to the third one, to the fourth one, to the fifth one. Not only does it give them the chance to get to know you better, it also helps to boost your watch time because they're watching 5 of them at a time. A brand new channel, brand new 5 videos. And then from that point forward, you can set up and schedule your upload time for your videos because you want to be able to schedule them around your work or your church or whatever you're doing. You want to be able to schedule them around that so that you are uninterrupted to upload your videos. Now, you also want to leverage social media for maximum reach. I know some people take and say that social media really doesn't do you any good. I'm a small channel right now, and I have gotten some people who have actually watched my videos from LinkedIn and from Facebook. So I can't say with honesty that it does you no good because I've gotten a couple of views here and there from it. I've even gotten comments from them. So hopefully, you know, I'm not wasting too much time by sharing them at those locations. Because the more you share your video, the more the opportunity is that people that won't even be on YouTube, they'll be on Facebook and they'll see it. It'll open up in YouTube and they'll be like, wow, let me watch this video. You know, so let's hope that we can get them interested in our videos and get them to participate in answering questions and giving us questions to answer. You know, give them a reason to be there. You know, help them out somehow. Find a common ground with a problem and work towards solving that problem. That's the whole point that we're here, is to help others solve problems. You know, we can utilize social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and many others. The more exposure your video gets, the faster you will get the views and subscribers. Utilizing engaging visuals and captivating captions, it is important to make sure you have engaging visuals, like a person holding a YouTube silver plaque for what is it, 100,000 views, I believe that one's for, or it's 1 million views, with a smile, or someone pointing to the analytics showing no views at all with a sad face. No, that doesn't work. I need to change everything. It just depends on the situation you want to create. Utilizing engaging visuals and captivating captions, it is important to make sure you have the engaging visuals all the time. Running contests and giveaways to boost engagement. Create giveaways that will make viewers come back for more. Giveaways like at live video school does. I believe that's how theirs is worded. They have a 100,000K book that they give away. It's not a real thick book. It's only 18 pages long. It's got a lot of information for starting a YouTube channel. They give it away free. They also have one called Hooks. And and they give it away free. But it keeps subscribers coming back for more. It keeps people coming back wanting more from you. Because you're not just giving them value, you're giving them something physical that they can hold. Yes, it's digitalized, but you can print it out if you want to, like I did. I printed it out, put it in a notebook, so I can refer to it every now and then if I think I'm messing something up. Like I said, I'm a small channel. I'm just starting, and it really is exciting for me to read this stuff and get things like that, because I get to hopefully learn from someone who's been there, done that with everything. Now, we want to embrace the future of video content. You know, the impact of artificial intelligence on video creation. Embrace the fact that we can get a lot more things done if you leverage AI the right way. You will see a boost in how the video performs. Trust me, I've gotten several views, several videos that were done 100% with video, with AI. All I did was change wording, add sentences, point out things that I wanted to expose you to. So exploring new technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality, wow, that's going to drag people in kicking and screaming. They're going to be like, hurry up, get it going. Because, you know, everybody loves things like virtual reality. If they have a machine that can play virtual reality for them and they have the virtual reality equipment set up, yes, run virtual reality or augmented reality, because the playback of such stuff engages the viewer like nothing else can. You know, they would be in a world of their own watching your video, not just sitting there watching it. They're drawn into the world that you created, you know. Now, staying ahead of the curve is a constantly evolving landscape for YouTube. Constant research on community section on YouTube will help with staying ahead of the curve. You know, YouTube has a community tab that you can go to, and you can watch a million videos there, it seems like, and you can continue to learn and expand your knowledge about YouTube, how to do things on YouTube. The community is where they will release new technology. They'll release how to use the new technology. They'll release videos on it. You can go there and research there. Almost everything you would need is available there to new YouTubers to help them get their channels off the ground. Now, with all of that said, I hope you found value with this video. If you did, please give it a like and leave a comment about what you like the most. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. As for the moment, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.